Sometimes we are working on a file and by mistakenly we forgot to save it and just click on the don't save. And if it is important then we gotten worried, but don't worry, you can recover it very easily. So you have to just press Windows key, then open the Word or any Microsoft program. It can be Excel, PowerPoint, you can recover them easily. You have to select, then you have to go on the blank document. As you will go, then you have to select file, then in info, and here in manage version you have to select recover unsaved document. As you will select, you will see all of the unsaved file will be appear here. You can see recover saved files is here. We have typed it half. Now you can recover it easily. As you can see, it's recovered. To edit it you have to click on the view and edit documents. Like this you can do it. Hope you like this video.